and then go to Migos later. So good. I'm fucking screaming and journaling. I get to see my husband, Quavo. Trying to get rid of this hangover I have right now. I ordered so much food last night. I have some fruit left over. I'm just gonna eat that. Here's all the food we ordered. So I just woke up. I'm gonna cover half my face because I look really hungover. Last night was amazing. All I remember is like 3 things. One of them was that 2 drinks cost $74 US. I remember that Offset looked at me like we locked eyes. It was the best moment of my life thus far. And Quavo didn't look at me, but he was so amazing. I was like screaming, I love you so much. So those are like the 3 things that I remember from my night. Yeah. Gonna get ready pretty soon. I have lunch reservations at 12 at Giada's, which is really across the street, but I really want to look super cute. I have an amazing outfit picked out, so I'm really looking forward to that. Factory. Food-wise was just blah, like super average. Came back here. Now I'm gonna take a bubble bath. I put the bubbles like so high. I love it. I'm so excited to relax and drink some champagne. Then I am going to eat at NOBU. I've never been to the Vegas NOBU before, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm actually really looking forward to it. Then after that, we're going to see a Magic Mike show. Might hit the strip club. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All I'm thinking about now is this bubble bath. Let me show you what I have done. Isn't it amazing? So much bubbly fun. Woo! I'm so happy. This is probably enough hot water now. Let me shake this off. Here on one. Butter. I just used this soap. It's just the stuff that came with our room. It smells a little bit manly, but that's okay. I'm gonna get ready after this. Hard Rock to eat at NOBU right now, and then we're going to see a magic mix show. Dick's weighing in. Vlogger in the world. I just got chiadas and I'm gonna show all the food and that's it. The chicest menu in the whole world. Everything is so cute here. Like, look at their forks. Even their forks are chic. You can see the Bellagio fountains from here. Such a good view. This is the best mimosa I've ever tasted, to be honest. Treats from Milk. This is birthday cake. Oh my god, why is this so amazing? And this one is crack pie. This is crack pie. Cold. Sorry. So good. This is like melt in your mouth, moist, delicious cake. Okay. I'm gonna try the crack pie. It's already recording. Okay, let's get into this crack pie. Tastes like a butter tart. Going to Encore right now, yay! I'm kind of sad. I'm all alone right now, and I'm just feeling super lonely and I guess I'll go for one last look out here. This view, so chic. Mountains on the other side. Bye, Vegas. It's been real.